This bracelet has been worn on a 16013 from the early 80s on a regular basis. The wear and stretching in the bracelet is obvious. The customer is concerned about the security of the watch when worn. To restore the bracelet, we clean it in an ultrasonic tank before carefully stripping the bracelet apart, taking care to retain the correct order and orientation of every link. This is crucial to maintain the correct taper of the bracelet. With a bimetal bracelet, replacing the pins alone will not result in a good restoration. It is crucial to also rework the gold. We have designed our own techniques and tooling especially for the job. We add new 18-karat gold to replace the worn material, use a D-shaped form to restore the original link shape and uniformity, then grind the sides of each link to ensure a smooth feel to the finished work. After careful reassembly, we refinish the metal to restore the original two-tone polishing and adjust the clasp to ensure security.